Hey everyone, so recently we came up with a new functionality which is called process variants. So, suppose for example, in your organization, let's assume a pipe is taken and the pipe is raw, there is no polishing done, there is no cutting done, and the entire process will get done at your end. So now in Transact, you can capture that. How? Let us first of all go to the inventory module. So I will click on all modules and go to inventory module. Now, once I will come in inventory module, please check. This is one of my item. So I will simply just click on this and the item history will get open. Now here is the process variant. Now please check, there is one variant which I have already added, that is the base variant unpolished. So suppose if there are several other variants as well. So I will simply click here, click on add row, and here after adding the row, I will simply mention that this is the polished variant. So I will simply click on save. So now please check, there are two variants of my product. One is the unpolished, second is the polished. Now how these variants will be used? So in production now, as you have seen that we have came up with the new functionality, machine efficiency and routing. So there you can go ahead and use these variants. So while defining the routing, now we provide an option to go ahead and select the variant on any of the production process. So let's take an example. I will open this particular production process. Now here I have not added any routing. So suppose this is the rod, one of the item. Let me do one thing. Let me quickly add a raw material, which is pipe, which I just added in my inventory. Let me show you. So I will simply go ahead and here is the pipe. So I will simply just mention the RM pipe 10 quantity. Here I will add the save changes. Now pipe is added. I will add the routing on this. So now the next routing is suppose cutting. I'm just simply picking the polishing. Now please check. Input variant is unpolished. I can change unpolished. Out can select the output variant is polished. So this is how you can go ahead and select the routing and can run on it. I hope this particular video will be helpful to you in order to go ahead and use the variant in your production process. Have a good day ahead.